Nice.
Oh, dude, you like it?
Looks pretty clean. Kidney part.
Someone does remember his line.
Let's try that again. All right.
All right.
PC parts.
Yeah, you definitely don't like meat in your mouth.
You need to remember, don't use teeth next time.
Yeah, come on. He's not beating the gay allegations today. Turn.
It's getting really close to nap time.
I'm getting tired, bro.
I'm not tired. I'm just high.
I'm feeling sleepy. I had one of my middle school teachers contact me.
Did you say quiet on set?
Yeah, I did.
When?
Like a few seconds ago.
You didn't say
You
that.
didn't say
Yeah, I did.
No, he never said that.
Speak up. Say with your chest next time.
Quiet on set!
Up on because this case is so limited. Ugh.
Think about some dick?
I'm gonna get you pregnant.
Again.
I mean, with this case just being so limited edition and having that cool hair, I said that like I know I pronounced it. I know. I can feel everyone just smiling.
Limited edition.
With this case being so rare, we just absolutely had to put our own touch on it. You know, add some modern amenities. I don't know, dude.
Blood's just yapping now.
Imagine my cheeks were f***ing clapping when I did that. Money, this is not sponsored by Walmart, but it sounds like a really good deal on paper. I'm just thinking about, we just did our new, I started going f***ing Donnie, right?
Jonah, I ain't gonna lie to you. Whatever exposure or ISO you have going on right now makes you pale as f with this lighting.
I just realized you're about to be 30.
I am.
Holy shit.
29. Very soon.
Wait, actually?
Yeah, in October.
Really?
29.
I'll be 29 in March, dude.
I'm thinking of a bunch of aunts.
Yeah, we're old.
Jonah, you're barely hanging on. I don't want to hear it.
He's 26 and he's dying.
Oh, it says, look, Matt, front.
Oh,
You better put it on wrong.
I'm sorry. You gonna sniff it?
what the f?
How's that new chair smell?
Dude, Jonah was in that chair butt naked, bro.
How's that new chair? Ooh, why is it warm?
Oh, the heater.
Oh my God.
I forgot the heater's on. Wait, how warm is it?
Holy, sit in it real quick. It's just
Here,
chemical
brother, I'm
reaction.
gonna put the cooler on for you.
Okay, thank you.
Because you see, sometimes I like my dinner chilled. But guys, make sure you also like, comment, and subscribe. Wait, nope, hold on.
What is going on here?
They go off script and they're like,
Yeah, it really is. Okay.
We lost it.
Hey, check me out though. I doubled up today. Don't quit looking at my dick, bro. Quit doing that.
stretching my back half feels good.
Oh, okay. We'll do that later. Huh? Where was I?
Just start over again.
Alright.
I don't know.
Something about blowing my back out.
Yeah, that's where it ended. Do you like how he just left his shoes? Bro just left his shoes.
Is dirty. Dude,
Those shoes have
those
been.
used to be white.
Those shoes have been through it too.
Oh my God.
Alright.
Anywho, checked off.
We should hide those. Oh, he's right there. I just saw his head.
He knows he forgot them.
Got the dog covers.
You looking for your dog covers?
Well, I knew I left. You guys recording, I didn't want to
We pointed him out immediately. We just said his dog covers are.
I just waited. I didn't want to interrupt. Don't smell.
We weren't gonna.
Very sweaty from my lawn.
Fuck, I don't want him to take them. I was gonna start smelling them later.
They're adding aroma to the room.
So we're gonna pair the 9600X with these GPUs here, which we think is a great pairing, by the way. And let's go get just. Oh shit!
Whoa! Wow!
What word did I just make
That
up?
was a Jonah word.
Jonah word. Can we get Jonah word of the day?
This would be the oldest.
Really?
Yep, this would be the oldest.
Sega Genesis?
Yeah.
Honestly, that is crazy.
All right.
You don't even.
That's it. I'm peeing.
Oh! It's done. What is next?
You got arm.